Welcome to Krannich Solar. My name is Katharina Wolf and today I'm excited to introduce you to the HELIVOR HV high voltage energy storage system from Kostal. The HELIVOR HV is the perfect solution for both residential homes and commercial applications. It stands out with its easy installation, modular expandability and safe LPT technology. And the best part? It's perfectly matched with the PLENTICORE G3 and PLENTICORE MP inverters, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance. Let's take a closer look at its design. The HELIVOR HV consists of three main components. At the bottom, you will find the base, a solid foundation that requires only a small footprint. Above that are the modules, offering impressive flexibility, from 2 to 9 modules, which means a capacity range of 6.4 to 28.8 kWh. Finally, on top sits the battery management system, short BMS. It ensures safety, monitors and controls the operation and guarantees efficient charging and discharging of the battery. One of the key highlights is its modular scalability. The HELIVOR HV can operate in parallel with up to 8 battery towers, all while requiring minimal space. Thanks to its IP65 protection rating, it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor installation. Talking about installation, it couldn't be easier. With plug-and-play configuration, integrated handles and clearly arranged connection points, the system is ready to go in no time. Plus, Kostal offers a 10-year manufacturer's warranty, giving you maximum security and peace of mind. If I have sparked your interest and you would like to learn more about the HELIVOR HV, feel free to reach out to your Krannich contact person. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.